It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, we're going to make these adorable little pens, feather pens. They're made out of paper with the inside of a pen. Okay, in a later video, we will make the bottom what's supporting it. It's like an old-fashioned inkwell. We'll do this. It's made out of polymer clay, and I'm going to do another video. We're strictly just doing the feathers today. Now, what happens is you use any kind of paper. Some people, I saw this idea on Crafty Mama's channel, and you can do whatever. She was doing it out of newspaper. I just took scrap paper, and then you take it, and here is, you can, I'll show you where to get these online. But these are the insides of a pen, and this one's green. It comes in all different colors. You can buy them in a bunch of packs. And what I did was I took, again, I like using tacky glue because it works really well. And I'm going to basically fold it like this, and the tip's going to come out. But I need space to cut two sides. So I'll go like this, and then I'm going to put glue within all of this area. Okay, and I put just the silver part of the tip, so you hide the ink part, and go like that. There we go. Make sure it's as straight as you can, because you want to cut a feather shape all the way. I let that stay for a little bit until it's dry. Make sure you went far enough down. Okay, so it's like that, and then it becomes there. I took this and cut the shape of this right here. It looks like that. So get this out of the way, and next thing I did was you're going to cut strips, close strips like this, near each other, all the way up. You're going to see it, you just move it all apart. Almost looking like a feather. I'll put one up here too. There, and over here a little bit. Straighten them all out. Alright, so you just fiddle around with it, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this. I'm going to do this one in a different color. I'm going to try pink, but I did these in brown to make it look like antique, kind of rustic antique. And this I'm going to do just a little differently because to show you that you can do it almost in any color, and they look kind of cool whatever color you do it. But I went like this, and I painted it all up. I'm going to paint all of this up, and I'll finish this off on camera, but I painted it all the way pink, and both sides, you know. There you go, maybe a couple coats, depends on how you like it. You don't even have to paint it. If you have the right paper, you don't even have to paint it at all, but I just liked what I did. So I painted it all, and then I came along in the center and painted this all white, and then I came back with a little bit of like dry brushing. You know, just take the paint off and just go lightly over top of the white to make it blend in on both sides. Okay, now when that's done, that's what this one looked like. This is, and I, you know, ruffled it up, and it's all dry, and it looks pretty good. And I'm going to show you something else. They're so cool. You can write with them. See? Hello. Very cool pens, and I again got that on Crafty Mama's channel. I believe that's her name, and I'll look that up and write it down below later. And so that was that way. So this one is done in pink with white when I'm done with it. Let it dry. However, I went a little farther on this one, and I used Mosh Posh, and it feels kind of nice. It gave it a special coating, like it feels like rubbery a bit, but I like it. I actually like it better than that one. And see, it works just, it's nice. This one's a black one, but that was, sorry, blue, and I think This one's a different one too. I just don't want to get all wet. See, red. Comes in all different colors. So I thought this was a cute little idea. Pretty easy. Anybody can do it. You know, the kids, you can do it with your kids. And it's kind of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe, give it a like, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.